To set up and use private space on Pixel 10, first let's open settings on our device. Next step is to locate security and privacy. Scroll down until you find private space. Click on it and here unlock your phone. Now next step is to perform a setup. Here we can create a Google account to help keep our data private, but I'm gonna skip it. Of course, if you want, you can click on Got It and then log into your Google account. Next step is to choose a new lock for private space. You can also use your current screen lock if you prefer. In this case, I'm gonna choose a new lock and then just use something like, now first we need to confirm our current one, and then we can set up our new one right here. So we have a different screen lock for private space, and now to access it, let's just wait until it's set. Now to access it, we'll need to swipe up when we're in the home screen and then move all the way down, and here you will notice private. Click on it and provide it with the code that you've entered to create a private space, and here you'll be able to access any apps that are visible right here or install different apps, and they will be protected by password each time you're gonna lock your private space, and they will also use different instances. So the Chrome that you open right here will be a different Chrome that you used to open on your device from home screen. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.